SM and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Matron, with another vlog. Time shit! What up, y'all? So for today's vlog, today's vlog is a little bit different vlog again, y'all. Because it's almost 12:30 p.m. right now. I'm just sitting, I haven't ate lunch, I haven't ate anything. Right now, I'm just drinking coffee. Straight black coffee, right? I'm just in my room, sitting in front of computer, and I'm just thinking, what should I do today? Oh my god, because I really don't plan everyday shit. I just raw dog it, I just tag it out. I just freestyle my everyday shit that I'm doing in the vlog time shit. Then I remember that weeks ago, I posted a YouTube video, and then in that vlog, I asked y'all to ask me some questions. Yeah. Because I'm gonna do a Q&A vlog type shit. And then, I remembered that earlier. When I remembered that, I posted the Instagram story on my shit. Yeah, I posted the Instagram story to ask me some questions. So, I can answer it here in this vlog. Yeah, for today's vlog type shit. I wanna do this kind of vlog because I want y'all to get to know more of me type shit. Yeah, because I think I haven't introduced my life to y'all. I mean, y'all can watch my life, but y'all don't know like my personal shit, my real name, how old I is, type shit, where do I live, you know, some personal questions. So I want y'all to get to know me more type shit. I just realized that I haven't introduced myself to y'all. I've been doing this daily vlog for like, I think I'm already in the 85 or 86 daily vlog. Yeah, I think this is my 86th day. This is my day 86 vlog. So, that's why I wanna do this Q&A vlog. But here's what happens, y'all. I posted a YouTube vlog that I want y'all to ask some questions for me. I posted the Instagram story to ask some questions for me. You know what happens? No one asks. No one asks. No one asks a single question. But it's alright because I only average 30 views per videos, y'all. What do I expect, right? So, we in 2025 right now, y'all. We have this AI shit. We have ChatGPT. So, for today's vlog, it's supposed to be questions coming from y'all. But you don't fuck with me, so I'm gonna use ChatGPT to ask questions for me, y'all. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to generate 20 questions. 20 personal questions, so you'll get to know me type shit. So, but you know, we can get close. You'll get to know me better. You'll get to know me well type shit. Yeah, you know what we gotta do. Let's get straight to it! Generate 20 personal questions that I can answer so I can introduce myself to my vlog on YouTube. Alright. Let's wait for ChatGPT, alright? Absolutely! Here are 20 personal questions you can answer to introduce yourself in your vlog. Type shit, alright y'all? We have this shit, right? We have 20 questions already. Can y'all see? Is it focused already? Y'all see this? I already have the 20 questions, right? Alright, we good. We already have the 20 questions. Yeah, let's start the Q&A right now, y'all. It has 4 topics, 5 questions each topics, alright? First question is, what's your full name and how old you is? My full name is Mart Rowell. Yeah, it's literally in my YouTube channel, Mart Rowell. Yeah, that's my government name. How old are you? I'm 21 years old. Where are you from and where do you live now? I am from Philippines. Yes. And where do you live now? I live in my parents' house in Bulacan. Yeah, Bulacan is like a province shit in Philippines. So yeah, that shit. Let me tell y'all something. Because sometimes y'all see in my vlogs that I'm in Laguna, right? So in Laguna, that's where my dad's side is. Yeah, my family in my dad's side, yeah, they in Laguna. And when I'm here in Bulacan, yeah, it's on my mom's side. When I travel from Bulacan to Laguna, it takes for like 3 to 4 hours of driving or 4 to 5 hours commute. What's your zodiac sign and do you believe in astrology? I think I'm a Gemini. Yeah, am I a Gemini? Yeah, I'm a Gemini. May 21? Yeah, I'm a Gemini. Do you believe in astrology? No, I don't believe in astronauts, y'all. I don't believe in that shit. I don't even believe that they already in the moon type shit. They landed in the moon. Yeah, I don't believe that shit. That's cap. Y'all think it's cap? Comment down below if it's cap or not. That they landed in the moon type shit. How would you describe yourself in 3 words? Alright? In 3 words, I'm a disciplined, consistent. One more. What else? One more. Hardworking, Or dedicated, dedication. Is that, I don't know if, I don't know if that's valid, you know, I'm really dedicated in that shit. So yeah, dedicated type shit. Yeah, that's three. Tama. What languages do you speak or you wanna learn? I speak two languages right now, Filipino and English. What I wanna learn? Or what you wanna learn? I wanna learn how to speak. I don't know what language do they speak in Singapore. What language do they do? Singaporean? Is that a language? Singaporean? Is that a language? I don't know. Yeah, I wanna learn what language do they speak. Because Singapore body, oh my god. A fine shit in Singapore? Oh my god. That shit OD. Yeah, I wanna learn what language do they speak in Singapore now. I wanna learn that shit. But I think, is that a China type shit? So I can say, ni hao fine shit? You know what I'm saying? But I don't know though. But yeah, I wanna learn what language do they speak in Singapore. Why did you start vlogging? So I started vlogging. Oh, okay. I started vlogging because y'all see I'm thin, right? I wanna get fat. So if you saw my first vid here in my YouTube channel, you wanna see me doing food mukbangs and shit like that. Yeah, because I really wanna get fat. I mean, not fat. Just a little bit of shit, you know what I'm saying? Because right now, I'm too petite right now. I only weigh 50 right now. Yeah, I only weigh 50 kilo right now. I wanna weigh like 65 type shit. Yeah, I wanna weigh like that. But I started that content September and I ended it in December. Yeah, almost December. Yeah, that content and then yeah, type shit. But it turns out I didn't get fat. What's your vlog or channel all about? So my vlog channel all about is my daily life, y'all. It's supposed to be a food mukbang channel, but something happened, so it turns out to be a daily vlog channel about me, what I'm doing in my life type shit. Even though it's boring, but yeah, type shit. It's still content. What's your ultimate dream or goal in life? Travel around the world, yeah. I wanna travel around the world, like every country in the world. I wanna travel all of that shit. Yeah, that's my really goal in life, y'all. What's something you're currently struggling with? Oh my god. I think when it comes to vlogging, I am antisocial type shit. I don't know if you call that shit antisocial. I really have a bad social anxiety. I don't know if you call that shit, but yeah, it could have been bigger, you know. If I don't have a social anxiety, if I only know how to talk to people, but nah, I don't. I don't know. I don't know how to talk to people. Yeah, on God. I'm really shy vlogging in public and shit. You know, when you up my hand, when you up your hand to vlog type shit. Yeah, I'm really shy to do that. But that's a whip, y'all. That's a whip. That's a work in progress right now. Yeah, I'm doing that a lot right now. What motivates you to keep going when life gets hard? My mom. I don't need to think of that shit. My mom, straight my mom. If my life is hard right now, how about my mom? What the fuck? How about her life? What the fuck? What's your favorite movie, song, or artist right now? Movie? Oh no, yeah, I watched a movie on New Year. Yeah, on New Year's Eve only. But before New Year's Eve, I haven't watched movie for like a 2 years or shit. Yeah. I really don't fuck with movies because it takes your time. Oh my god, if you watch a movie, it takes your 2 hours time and shit. You'll see how worthy your 2 hours is. Oh my god. Song and artist, so Crazy Story or Took Her to the O. Yeah. Yeah, Crazy Story. Yeah, I fuck with Crazy Story. Favorite artist? King Von. That's my favorite artist. Long live King Von. What's your go-to comfort food? I think a burger. Yeah, any burger. Any sandwiches. Yeah, I fuck with that. Do you prefer mornings or nights? And why? I prefer morning because I don't know if it's just me or it's really the sunlight that gives you energy. But when I go out and the sunlight hits me, it feels like I'm a solar panel type shit. It feels like I'm a solar charging type shit. Yeah, it really gives me energy, the sunlight. I don't know if it's just me or the sunlight really gives you energy. What's your favorite app on your phone right now? TikTok right now, here in this phone. TikTok, because I only use this phone for TikTok and shit like that, Messenger. TikTok because that's where I get my ideas from. Oh yeah, on TikTok. When you doom scroll on TikTok, y'all can get new ideas and shit. So when I'm watching TikTok, I'm not really like just watching brain rot shit. No, I'm getting ideas for y'all, for my YouTube vlog. Yeah, for my vlogs and shit. I fuck with TikTok heavy. What's one thing you could live without? Oh my fucking god. I haven't think about that shit. Oh my god. Right now, one thing I can live without is, I think, air condition, yeah, aircon. Because I'm in Philippines right now, y'all. And the weather right now in Philippines is like, oh my god, 100 degrees. 100 degrees. Oh my god, it is really hot in Philippines right now. Yeah, when you step outside of the house, you'll get burned. That's why props to the people who works in the direct sunlight, some laborers type shit. Yeah, props to them people, And the homeless people. How about the homeless people? Oh my god. How can they live with this heat? Damn, I can't understand that shit. So yeah, props to them. But I'm grateful because I have an aircon that I can use every day. What's a moment that changed your life? Oh my god, this is so good. That is really a good question. The moment that changed my life is when I work in a fast food. Wait, let me get something first. Maybe y'all think I'm copying, right? Let me get something first, right? See, this is the lace from Jollibee. Yeah, I used to work at Jollibee. Yeah, and it's a minimum wage job here in Philippines. So, wait, what the fuck? How? Oh, here. Oh, right here. You see this? You see this chain? You see this lace? And here's my name, y'all. Here's my name. Job. I work in this minimum wage job here in the Philippines. And the minimum wage it's like 500 pesos. Oh my god. And it will deduct something on your account. Yeah, some tax and shit. I'm probably earning like 10,000 pesos per month. Oh my god, that is so low. But yeah. And then my coworkers, a lot of my coworkers, they really living like paycheck to paycheck. Like they finna get their salary and then they finna pay someone because they have debt and shit, They have 3 kids and they the only one that's working. And oh my god. Salary per month in a minimum wage is like 10,000 pesos or 11,000 pesos. So I don't know how can they do that shit, but me, I don't think I can do that shit. If I have a kids, I don't think I can do that shit. So yeah, that changed my life when I saw my coworker living paycheck to paycheck. So yeah, but yeah, I'm proud. I'm proud that I work in Jollibee, yo. That's really a good step for me type shit. You know what I'm saying? What's something most people don't know about you? Alright? Some good questions. I just did the vlog yesterday, but I really do have a bad social anxiety. I don't know, is that what you call them? Or antisocial or introvert? I don't know. It's just like, I don't want to go to a family gathering and shit like that. It's not like I hate them. I just really feel like I'm better with my own shit, you know what I'm saying? It's so hard to explain, but I'm really scared to talk to people. I'm really scared to talk to strangers like that. I hate yapping sessions. That's most of y'all don't know about me. I really do have a social anxiety. How do you deal with sadness or stress? Oh my god, how do I deal with sadness or stress? The last time I deal with my stress, what did I do? I beat my meat. Oh yeah, I beat my meat. How do you deal with sadness or stress? Yeah, I just beat my meat. When I'm stressed and I'm sad, I might just beat my meat type shit. You know what I'm saying? What's a fear you're trying to overcome? Fear of trying to talk to people. Yeah, that's the fear that I'm gonna overcome. To talk to people and shit like that. I really don't hate to talk to people. Yeah, let me change the word that I said earlier. I don't really hate to talk to people. I'm just scared. I don't know why. I'm just scared to talk to people. I don't hate. I don't hate to talk to people. Yeah, that's a different shit. I don't hate talking to people. That's a different shit. I'm just scared. I don't know why I'm scared to talk to people. Even though I know that person, and then I just don't want to talk to him because I'm scared. I don't know why am I scared for. It's like there's something in me like, oh my god, I'm overthinking shit like that. And then I don't talk when I have nothing to say. You know what I'm saying? I don't just yap. When I say something, I'm just thinking first and then I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna do the straight, oh my god, without even thinking. Yeah, I don't do that shit. Straight yap and shit. Yeah, I don't do that. But starting yesterday, if I saw a body, if I saw a vibe, if I saw a fine shit, whatever you call a girl that you fuck with, I'ma shoot my shot, yeah. I need to shoot my shot. I need to practice to shoot my shot. Yeah, I haven't shoot my shot. Ever since, I mean, I already shoot my shot before I graduated college. But right now, I'ma shoot my shot to every girl I fuck with, yo. What message you wanna leave with the world? Oh my god, what do I wanna say to the world right now? I think be you. Yeah, I think that's the message that I wanna leave with the world. Be you. Don't care what. Wait, let me cook now. Let me cook with this one, y'all. Don't care what others think about you, type shit. Because you don't even like people. So why do you care about what they think? Am I making sense right now? I don't know if I'm making sense right now. Wait, let me think about that shit, right? So yeah, I think that makes sense. Oh, wait. Let me twist that shit a little bit, right? This one, oh my god, this one is so good, yeah. I just read this shit on TikTok, right? Don't expect people to like, I mean, wait. I'm stuttering, right? Wait, I'm stuttering. Don't expect people to like you. You don't even like people. Oh my god, that's a good one. Oh my god, that's so good. Don't expect people to like you. You don't even like people. Oh my god, that's a good shit, y'all. So, oh my god, that's already the 20th questions. Damn, that's already 20 questions, y'all. So, if y'all have some questions for me, if y'all have some any questions, drop it in the comment down below. Or message me on my Instagram. It's at martravelvlog. Message me what questions you wanna ask me, and then I'ma answer that in a different vlog type shit, alright? Just comment down below all your questions and shit, and then message me on Instagram for some of your questions, and then yeah, type shit. So yeah, am I out for today's vlog? Yeah, I think that's a good content for today's. Sorry, I need to use ChatGPT because no one really asked me questions. Yeah, it's still a good questions, yo. Yeah, I really fuck with this. I really fuck with ChatGPT heavy. So, wait, before you go like this video, yo. Go like this video. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So, thank you so much for watching, y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. Please! So, thank you so much for watching. I'ma see you in my next video.
Where your roid at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they capping out shit? Think they just rapping out shit? Where your roid at?